Hello again, and you join me in my shed, my multifunctional man cave. This is part 4 in a series of videos I'm putting together of how I built my shed and man cave workshop. And this video is very short, it's part 4, and it just shows the little cubby holes going around my workbench behind me. So there's the little cubby holes that I made at the back of my workbench, and they're there for 2 reasons. First one, it's a backsplash for anything that buffs up against it, and then I've made these little pockets every so often and a flat surface like there, and then that goes further down where that calculator is. And then I've done some that are like halfway in between for smaller items so I can get to them easy, and I say that goes all the way around. And I made it out of 17mm by 18mm timber. Here it was slightly angled because my wall angles in and then goes to an angle at the end there. I used glue and a nail gun to fix it all together, and then when I'd done it I used my router just to give it a smooth edges on these corners. Varnished it, obviously sanded it first, varnished it before I did all that routed the edges. I think I gave it 3 coats of varnish. Then I made these surrounds as well for the plug sockets, patras, and then the plug sockets on the front there. So enough waffle, let's roll the montage. So as I say, very short video. The next video, which will be part 5, will show me kitting out the bar kitchen shed. So stay tuned for that. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.